You got any ideas?
I have a great idea.
Pitch it to me. Pitch it to me.
Hey, I got an idea. Well, let's hear it.
Well, good news, everyone. We're going to be speaking about a product today that sounds familiar, but it's actually with a whole new fun twist. Now, we're talking about teeth whitening. But before you go anywhere, I want you to check it out and listen to all the attributes, because we've invented a system that gets rid of all the negative side effects that most people are associated with teeth whitening. Now, we're talking about pain, mess, the messy strips, and just the overall cost of having such a procedure done. Now, let's face it, everybody wants whiter teeth. So let's do it in a way under $50. Let's do it in a way that doesn't have all the mess, and let's do it in a way that you can do right now without all the pain. Now, simply, instead of the tray, we put in a mouthpiece, and with the mouthpiece in, we brush the gel directly on your smiling teeth, if you will, and that's it. You simply clip the line on the front of the mouthpiece, and you're ready to whiten for the next 20 minutes or less. Now, the good news is, whenever you're done whitening, that's it. There's no extra steps.
Make or break an inventor. Be our shark and vote. Be bold and submit your product. What the heck? You could only make millions.